We're gonna do our eyebrows today. You just need some tweezers, concealer, either an eyebrow pencil or like an eyeliner, a flat brush, an angled brush if you're using like a powder for your eyebrows, a spoolie, and scissors. Let's get it going. It's a pretty quick and easy tutorial. This is just like an easy at-home brow thing, okay? This is like, I do this maybe every month. Really like sit down, and actually I wouldn't even say every month. I would say every few months now. I used to do this way more often. Anytime I really feel like I need more maintenance on my eyebrows, I do this. So it's pretty quick and easy. Maybe not so quick, but it's very easy. So if you want to get some nice brows, you don't feel like getting them done. Although these Esties be doing a very good job. Anyway, let's get on with the video. This is just how I've done it all my life. I'm probably never gonna switch it up. If I do, I'll let you know.
Okay, I know I look crazy right now, but basically what I do is I fill in my eyebrows as bold as possible with a dark brown, whatever. And if they look good like that, then I'm good to go. I conceal around it, I tweeze around it, and she's done. I use like the eyebrow mapping. This is where I'm doing it here. You can kind of look up a picture online, and then that's what I do. That's it.
I can just like more easily see the hairs that I need to pluck when I conceal this. And then the hairs I don't pluck are obviously under this dark ass color. So you shouldn't have makeup on when you tweeze, but. And then you just reveal, after tweezing, the most like clean brow of your life. Okay, and then I just go back in and tweeze. I go in the zoomed in mirror. You should be holding your skin taut when you do this, and I just tweeze the excess, and then you're done. I can really see it now that the makeup's gone, so. I am gonna trim mine. I haven't trimmed them probably over a year, which is, I just haven't needed to. In the past, I've over trimmed them, so I don't wanna do that. I'm literally just gonna go. Also, these scissors like kinda suck, but they work. I'm just trimming like that excess hair right there. Oh, can't even see it. I just want to get these tips. I don't really want to cut into the eyebrow and make it more sparse. My arches are just different, so I just need to like compensate on either side. And that's how I do my eyebrows on my day off.